Since the turn of the century, Team India has made a conscious effort towards making the team a top-class fielding unit. With Virat Kohli at the helm of affairs, there is no place for slow movers on the field as the fitness standards have taken a massive stride. With fitness becoming a key figure, Indian team has evolved as one of the best fielding teams in international cricket. In the ongoing series against Australia though, Indian fielders have been below par as a fielding unit. The likes of Ravindra Jadeja, Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya are considered to be the best fielders going around. But they have dropped dollies against Australia. In total, India has made a mockery of 6 catches so far in the 3 ODIs and 2 T20 internationals they have played against Australia till Monday. Even India's ground fielding hasn't been up to the mark. And as a result, the opposition has enjoyed the luxury of scoring some easy runs. What is the reason behind India's pathetic showing on the field in the ongoing series against Australia? Team India's stand-in vice captain KL Rahul came up with a rather silly excuse to cover up the team's lackluster performance in the field. After the second ODI, the wicketkeeper batsman pointed out that the presence of fans in the stands is a main reason behind Indian fielders dropping catches. Rahul said that the team is playing in front of crowds after a very long time and hence it has been difficult for the players to adjust. The Karnataka lad's statement has not gone down too well with the fans and former Indian cricketers. Former Indian captain Mohammad Azharuddin, who was also one of the best fielders during his time, lambasted KL Rahul for making such a statement. Azhar said that even during practice there are no fielders in the stands and yet in the past players have played in front of 20,000 to 30,000 people. The former Indian cricketer also said that the current Indian side has a lot of good fielders, but even they are not holding on to the catches and are making silly mistakes on the field. He further added that a drop in concentration levels of the Indian fielders is the main reason behind their dismal showing on the field. The poor fielding was also in display during the recently concluded IPL after the players returned to the ground after the coronavirus forced hiatus. The fitness levels of several players had gone down and that was clearly seen in the cash-rich tournament. Fans lambasted KL Rahul for his latest statement as they feel the players are professional as they have devoted years in mastering their craft. Even after being underwhelming on the field, India has got away with its shortcomings in the limited overs leg. But with the test series starting in less than 2 weeks' time, poor performance on the field can cost the team dearly. Slip catching, in particular, has been a problem for the Indian side after the likes of Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman hung their boots. Apart from Ajinkya Rahane, India doesn't have a reliable slip catcher, which is a cause of concern. The fielding issues need to be addressed soon, or else India may have to pay a heavy price moving forward.